that's an accident.
See, that's that. And we would like to maybe ask the teacher if we can go outside. Which way?
And what would you be able to use to find out which way it's blowing? How would you know? What's something that would indicate the direction it's
We
going
could
really
throw
well?
grass.
So you can throw up grass and see what
We were actually, yeah, we were doing that.
To see our fifth graders in action and learning about weather and the different spheres and how they're incorporating that into the launch of this weather balloon.
I'm excited to see the balloon take off.
I'm excited to see the balloon take off, but I'm more excited to see the learning that's happening with the students.
It's so big! Like how big do you think it is? 4 feet?
I think it's probably like
I'm gonna go. Yeah. About 4 feet. We're not even like 5 minutes long.
Just nice. Here's our package. Plan to lay out. There's really not any balloon left here. We're out in the middle of the field, about 3/10 of a mile from the road. We're going to open and reveal just what it looks like with here. And so we can see it looks like there is some turbulence happening in its descent. We can feel this. I'm going to let you know right now, it feels very, very hard, frozen. Very, very solid center. The whole thing is very hard, and you can observe for your colors and any other changes. I'm going to measure it to go up. It's right about 2 inches, so it's at that line. So if we want to measure it, comparing the other half when we get back. The full kiwi is very mushy, very, very mushy. You can see here that the skin has split. So think about, and it's wrinkled and mushy in there. So think about what might that indicate happened during its flight and as it ascended and descended. What would have caused that to split? What would cause it to be mushy? What do you think happened to it during flight and in its descent to cause that to be there? So while this one is frozen solid hard, this one is soft and mushy. So if we look in close, it's really hard to see it with the thing, but you can see the light is still on. So that told us that our battery's held up. It does look like there's a lot of condensation on the lens. So you can kind of see this one it was a little bit fuzzy, but this is, look at all the condensation you can see in that light in that lens. Kind of think about what does that tell you about the atmosphere or the ascending or descending and what the light might have went through, temperatures, pressures, all those things at the different levels.